What if you could start earning passive income every single month with zero upfront investments and no complicated sales tactics? Sounds too good to be true, but stick around with me, I will show you how to do it. You can start doing real-time recurring commission by reselling Movylo or becoming an affiliate. So what is Movylo and why do small businesses need it? Movylo is an automated marketing tool designed to help small businesses boost sales, attract more customers, and increase brand awareness without lifting a finger. 80% of small businesses have a £10,000 yearly marketing budget, at least, and they are actively looking for solutions like Movylo. What do these businesses expect? They want 1. More sales, 2. New customers, and 3. Stronger brand awareness. And guess what? Movylo delivers on all of that. So how does Movylo work? Movylo automates marketing by building customer lists from social media, website, and in-store visits, engaging customers using AI-powered automation to send promotion, reminders, and loyalty rewards, increasing sales by up to 40% compared to businesses doing it manually. And it runs all automatically in background, helping businesses make more money with zero effort. And now, here is where you come in. Why you become an affiliate or a reseller. This isn't your average affiliate program. Here is why Movylo stands out. You get real-time payments, so you get paid instantly after making a sale, no waiting. Recurring commission, earn monthly commission for as long as your client stays. No minimum thresholds, so you close a deal, then you get paid, simple as that. An easy sales process. Just introduce businesses to Movylo and we handle the rest. We close the sale for you. The best part is in your earnings, which it means you get paid upfront with every sale and you can earn up to 50% recurring commissions every single month. That's right, you can get monthly income that keeps growing with no limits. The more businesses you introduce to Movylo, then the more your earnings skyrocket, month after month. What about your role? Your role is very easy. All you have to do is visit small businesses, book appointments for us, we close the sales, you keep the commission. No long training, no full-time commitment, and no complicated sales process. We handle the rest. You just introduce Movylo to businesses and that's it. This opportunity is for anyone. It is for sales pros, it is for digital marketers and freelancers, entrepreneurs, consultants, business owners, and anyone who talks to local businesses. If you can talk to a small business owner, you can start earning with Movylo. So to get started, it is very quick and very easy. Just click into the link into the description and then you register or as a reseller or as an affiliate, and then you get started immediately. Every business you introduce to Movylo gets you closer to financial freedom. There is no risk, there is no complex sales process, so just simple commissions. So what you're waiting? Click the link, sign up, and get ready. Let's make money together. I'll see you inside